In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Wayfair discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Wayfair discount promo code. Right here, select this website, which is called couponfollow.com. And as you can see, we have a list with different type of promo codes that we can use. For example, if you want to get this one with 10% off any order, all you have to do is select shop coupon code right here. You can copy the promo code and you can apply this one on your next purchase in order to get that 10% discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website which is called retailmino.com. And as you can see right here, we also have some promo codes and deals that we can use in order to get a discount. All you have to do right here, for example, if you want to get this 50% off, simply select the option Get Deal right here. And for this one, as you can see, there is no code required. All you have to do is just select this option, Shop at Wayfair, and you'll be redirected to their website, and the discount code will be applied automatically. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.